Hey everyone. If you want to build a strong network on LinkedIn and grow your career opportunities in 2026, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to build a network on LinkedIn. First, make sure your LinkedIn profile is fully optimized. People will only connect with you if your profile looks professional and complete. Next, start by connecting with people you already know. I mean, friends, classmates, coworkers, or past colleagues. Now search for professionals in your industry. Find recruiters, managers, and experts in your field. Always send a personalized connection request. I mean, don't send blank invites, add a short, polite message. Engage with posts daily by liking and commenting. This helps you get noticed and build visibility. Join LinkedIn groups and follow companies. I mean, this expands your network and helps you find more professionals. After connecting, send polite messages and build real relationships. Networking is not just adding people, it's building trust. So, yeah, that's how you build a network on LinkedIn in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you'll grow strong professional connections and better job opportunities. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more career tutorials for fast and easy guides.